You making him smile. Oh, that's nice. Be very gentle, Joe. Now, is that making him smile or is that making him scared?
The camera.
What?
The camera me.
No, don't camera you. Can you make Jack smile again? Okay, no jumping, no jumping. Here. You know, he likes it when you sit down and you smile at him. He likes to look at your face. Yeah? He likes to look at your face. Can you make him smile? No, jumping is just going to make him scared. He's too little. He's too little. Can you give him a little tickle? Give him a little tickle and make him smile? He likes to see your face. Okay, don't crush him. Joe, don't crush him. Is Joe, is Jack your little brother? No climbing, no climbing. No. Is Jack your little brother? And are you his big sister?
I want to see.
You want to see the movie that we just took?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, give Jack a kiss and then we'll turn it off. Gentle, gentle. Very nice.
I want to see.